Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 robot vacuums. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Before we begin, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. And check out the links in the description for more info. Number 5, Best Budget Vacuum. iLife V3S Pro. The iLife V3S Pro is our pick as the best budget robot vacuum. As one of the most popular robot vacuums, it's perfect for those looking for a bare minimum vacuum that doesn't break the bank. Utilizing a tangle-free design, the vacuum's powerful suction passage does an impressive job on picking up dirt, small particles, and pet hair. It performs nearly flawlessly on hardwood floors, but the absence of a brush roller causes it to struggle a bit when picking up larger debris on carpet. The robot is activated using a mechanical button or with a remote control and lets you choose between auto mode, edge mode, and space mode cleaning. You can also use the remote to schedule cleaning in advance for a preset daily routine. The vacuum can run for up to 100 minutes and will return to the charging base to auto recharge when the battery gets low. It features extra large Road Rover wheels that glide effortlessly across hard floors and can transition to low pile carpet or roll over door trims. And its low profile design can reach under the sofa or bed where dirt hides. The vacuum is equipped with 10 front infrared sensors that it uses to recognize and avoid obstacles, and 3 underneath infrared sensors to intelligently detect stairs to avoid falling off. Although it cleans incredibly well, the robot lacks any sort of methodical navigation. While cleaning, it simply bumps around the room and eventually skims directly over the mess. It also struggles to get back to its charging base at times. Luckily, the remote includes manual controls that you can use to guide it around. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable option that gets the job done, the iLife V3S Pro is a great choice. Number 4, Best Value Vacuum. Wise Robot Vacuum. The Wise Robot Vacuum is our pick as the robot vacuum with the best value. The company is best known for making a variety of smart home devices at very affordable price points. Unlike other vacuums that smash headfirst into furniture and walls, this vacuum uses precise room mapping with LiDAR to build an exact map of your home. It then divides each room into sections and uses a straight line cleaning path for the most efficient clean possible. Its 7 sensor groups let it see all directions at once, helping it move around obstacles and detect stairs and walls. The vacuum uses an edge brush to sweep debris towards the center and 2100 Pascal suction power, in tandem with a high torque center brush to pull up every bit of dust and dirt off your floor. It works especially well on hard floors and has no problem picking up cereal, dog fur, or kitty litter. But like most of the robot vacuums, it struggles when it comes to cleaning carpets. For those with various surface types in their home, the vacuum features all-wheel drive for uneven surfaces and can cross heights up to 0.8 inches. Equipped with a 3200 mAh battery, the vacuum can run for around 110 minutes. If the battery runs low during a longer cleaning, it automatically returns to recharge and turns right back to where it left off after auto-recharging. The Wise app gives you full control of the vacuum. You can access area selection, scheduling, and virtual walls within the app. You can also select suction levels between quiet, standard, and strong. The vacuum also works with Alexa, which is convenient when your hands aren't free. Overall, if you want to get the best bang for your buck, look no further than the Wise Robot Vacuum. Take a moment to like button if you're enjoying the video. Let us know in the comments what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3, Best Vacuum Mop Hybrid, Roborock S7. The Roborock S7 is our pick as the best robot vacuum and mop hybrid. What sets this robot apart is its ability to switch between both vacuuming and mopping on the fly. Using ultrasonic carpet recognition, it's able to recognize carpets with extraordinary accuracy. Let the precise sense LiDAR navigation map your home once to see every carpet on your floor, then choose to let it lift its mop to vacuum, or draw a no mop zone to keep it away. Equipped with the company's Hyperforce suction system, the vacuum uses 2500 Pascal suction power to capture fine dust. Combined with the all-rubber brush using upgraded floating brush technology, the brush tracks the ground tightly to clean better. One of its key highlights is its ability to detect carpet and automatically increase the suction accordingly. This ensures that debris is thoroughly clean. However, the vacuum has a hard time cleaning pet fur as it tends to roll over the fur and push it further into the carpet. When it comes to mopping, the robot uses vibro-raise technology instead of traditional robot mopping. No more dragging around a wet cloth. The mop now scrubs up to 3,000 times per minute and is fed by a 300 milliliter electronic water tank to clean floors deeply and effectively. When carpet is detected, the intelligent mop lifts automatically, letting you mop hard floors and vacuum carpets in a single clean. While the 5mm that the mop is raised doesn't sound like much, it's enough to avoid the carpet getting wet, although a thicker carpet will feel minimally damp. Additionally, the robot features a 470mm dustbin and a 5,200 mAh lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 3 hours. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable option that can do double duty, the Roborock S7 won't disappoint. Number 2, runner-up, Roborock S4 Max. The Roborock S4 Max is the runner-up on our list. Instead of cramming in more features, this robot vacuum focuses on the most important feature of all, cleaning performance. Utilizing its LiDAR navigation, the robot is able to clean effectively at all times and even works in dark rooms thanks to its precision low-light navigation. Using powerful hyperforce suction, the vacuum creates up to 2,000 Pascal suction power to pull pet hair and dirt off wooden floors and carpets. Automatic carpet boost ramps up suction to maximize when carpet is detected to provide a more thorough vacuum. Its floating main brush lifts up to agitate the fibers of the carpet itself, smashing out trapped dust to leave carpets bright and clean. The vacuum picks up nearly everything, but users have noted that pet hair tends to clump around the brush roll and suction inlet instead of being deposited into the 460ml dustbin. One charge of its battery gives up to 180 minutes or up to 300 meters squared of cleaning. And when the battery runs low, the robot will initiate automatic top-up charging, then continue where it left off. If you don't need to clean a whole room, you can draw a zone around what you need in the Roborock app to initiate problem area cleaning. You can also drop up to 10 no-go zones and 10 invisible walls on every level of your house with the app. Additionally, the vacuum is equipped with an E11 rated air filter, which captures 95% of particles as it travels around your house. The filter is washable so you can reuse it over and over. Overall, if you're looking for a single function option capable of handling any mess, the Roborock S4 Max is up to the task. Number 1. Best overall vacuum. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus tops our list as the best overall robot vacuum. As one of the most expensive options available, it's well worth its premium price tag with all that it has to offer. The key highlight of this vacuum is its clean base automatic dirt disposal, which lets the robot automatically empty its bin on its own and run for up to 60 days without you having to check in. The base uses an enclosed bag system that can hold about 30 bins worth of debris. Using perfect egg technology, the vacuum combines a specially designed corner brush and a dual multi-surface rubber brush to clean deep into corners and edges. Its superior 3-stage cleaning system lifts, loosens, and then eliminates debris and pet hair. And its Dirt Detect technology recognizes dirtier areas and cleans them more thoroughly. The excellent cleaning performance comes with a slight drawback. Both the robot and clean base are extremely loud. The vacuuming volume is especially prevalent on hardwood floors. Carpet is quieter, but not by much. You'll find it difficult to have a conversation while the robot is running and will likely want to set it to run while you're away. This Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum is driven by iRobot OS that allows it to do more. Use Imprint Smart Mapping to store multiple maps for easier cleaning of each level of your home, and use customizable keep out zones and clean zones to tell it the exact area to clean or avoid. You can control the robot with both Amazon Alexa or the iRobot Home app. Additionally, the robot features advanced 3D sensor technology to detect obstacles in real time. Overall, if you're looking for the most advanced features, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is the clear winner. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.